Ever wondered why the sky is blue or why leaves are green? Each color we see is a fascinating conversation between light and our eyes. It's not just about light's dance with our retinas though. Colors also weave stories, carrying different meanings in different cultures. Some bring joy, others command respect, and a few even spark curiosity. From the fiery red of a sunset to the soothing blue of the ocean, each hue has its own tale to tell. Now that we've dipped our toes in the vibrant world of color, let's dive in deeper. Did you know that colors are not actually in objects at all? Instead, they're a result of light bouncing off an object's surface and interacting with our eyes. Some light gets absorbed, some gets reflected, and some even passes through. It's this dance of absorption, reflection, and transmission that creates the colors we see. Our eyes then interpret these light signals into different colors. So, the colors we see are all about light and perception. But how do these colors impact our day-to-day lives? Have you ever noticed how certain colors can affect your mood? Colors have a profound impact on our emotions and behaviors. For instance, red can evoke feelings of passion or anger, while blue tends to have a calming effect. This is why marketers and brand strategists often use specific colors to elicit certain responses from consumers. Even in our day-to-day lives, the colors of our clothes, our rooms, even our food, can subtly influence our mood and actions. So, colors play a huge role in our lives, often in ways we don't even realize. So, what have we learned about the colorful world around us? We've uncovered the fascinating science that gives the world its hues, from the soft pink of a dawn to the deep blue of twilight. We've delved into the psychological impact of colors, revealing how they influence our emotions and choices daily, and we've seen how integral colors are to our everyday experiences. Next time you stop to admire a rainbow or enjoy the calming effect of a blue sky, remember, there's a whole science and psychology behind these beautiful colors that shape our world.